classroom is very important. And as you said, that you give them, the content earlier, they go through it, they go through what they have to, learn. And they already have an idea when they come to the class. So when they come to the class, a lot of time is saved. They have gone through a video, or, the content is very well made. It is the quality that matters. So, it's full of audio visuals. Everything is in a compact way put into that method, and the child has already gone through it. So when the child comes to the class, the child is already, aware of what is going to happen, and there is more time with the teacher, because this is where critical thinking happens, problem solving happens, and this is the time when they get that 1:1, the teacher student time. So there is more of collaborative thinking. There is more of sharing of ideas. So supposedly, if they've gone through the video, the already, which has to be taught in class, and they've come back and they have a whole lot of questions, and in this way it becomes more interactive, it becomes more interesting, and there is a lot of communication, which is one of the most important aspects where we are looking at. And this way there is a lot of time also which is saved, and it's more cost effective, because when we need a lot of expensive teaching aids, which we need in the classroom, which might not be possible for all schools. So this is a very, very effective way of conducting a class, and it has loads of benefits, as I just told you, whether it is to be saving time, it is about more of critical thinking, it is about more of having time when you can come up with your questions. There is more time where the teacher can exactly question each and every child and find out. And the child is also learning at its own pace. If the child didn't understand, the child can go back and go through it, and again, come up with understand that exact part. And if a child has not been well, again, there is that part already there on Google Classroom or whichever app you all are using. The child can go back and get into it and see it, and so the child doesn't really miss anything. So that again becomes very effective. So overall, it is a very, very effective means of our new age of blended learning, and it makes the teaching learning process more enriched. It becomes more interesting, and definitely, I think that's where once the child, because today, I mean, you see a small child also, they are so more baby of 1 year or 2-year-old is on an iPad. So they are really glued to it. So this becomes a very effective means. And obviously it is, I think, being put into all our curriculum, and it is a very, very effective means.
So basically, as Ms. Tia said, that flipped model works very well with the blended classroom. So what you can flip, that is very important. It's not that every instruction can be flipped. So you need to identify that, okay, this set of instruction can be managed by the child in a self-spaced manner. So yes, that particular thing can be flipped, and you can create a video content for that and maybe put it on the LMS, or it could be even a Google Classroom per se, whatever you're using, or maybe Microsoft Teams, so that the child is browsing through that content as his or her pace. You can also incorporate to make it more effective, that child is actually doing that content to understand. I mean, as a teacher, I should understand that child has gone through. So you can integrate some, formative assessments over there, maybe some quizzes which are formative in nature, where child is answering questions based on the video content which was supported, and he or she is able to evaluate whether he is able to achieve that learning outcome or not. So when they come to the classroom situation, based on that particular assessment and based on the entire process which child has gone through, within the classroom situation, teacher can now invest more time in terms of discussion on the concept, so that every child can bring in his or her perspective and she can really understand whether the children have understood. She can be more, devising certain problems where problem solving or critical thinking skills are in use. So the teacher role, basically it is flipping the regular normal classroom situation where normally teacher delivers a content and the questions, problem solving are left to the children, that okay, go home and do this as a homework. So flipped
Right.
classroom model works just reversal of the role. So you're just reversing the role. Content delivery is to be done at the self-paced manner, and within the classroom it is more of a discussion on problems, maybe in terms of a discussion or solving those problems depending on the subject area where you are working in.